So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can buy Myfundedfx challenge account using crypto, and I'm going to be using Binance. So please watch this video carefully so that you understand all the steps and you can do it by yourself. So as you can see, if you want to purchase a challenge on Myfundedfx, the first thing you need to do is to register an account, right? To create an account on Myfundedfx. So I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video. You can use that link to create an account on Myfundedfx. So once you've created your account, it will bring you to this page, as you can see here. So please make sure you use the link in the description of this video to create your account. So once you create the account and you are in this page, the next thing you want to do is to click on start challenge. So as you can see, start challenge here, you just click on start challenge and it will bring you to this next page right here. So on this page, you can choose if you want to use the one-step challenge, the two-step, or the two-step pro. I did a video where I explained the difference between the one-step, the two-step, and the two-step pro. So I'm going to link the video in the description of this video so that you can see the difference. But if you already know the difference between the two-step and the one-step, basically the one-step is just one step and the two-step is two-step, but there are some other differences too. So I did a separate video about that. So once you have chosen the account you want to go for, let's assume you are going for the one-step challenge and you choose the 5K account, and you just choose just set up this thing however you want it. I'm going for MT5 and I'm going for Think Market. Now in the one-step challenge, they offer only the standard account type. So there are also some add-ons like this profit boost. So if you want to get like 90% off 90% of your profit after you pass the challenge, you can add this add-on for 20% extra fee. So the one-step challenge, this 5K account, 5K one-step challenge is $50. So if you add this profit boost, you'll be adding an extra $10 to the money, and if you add rapid withdrawal, you'll be adding extra $10 to the money. So this rapid withdrawal will mean that you get your withdrawals after 7 days, right? So once you select this, the next thing is to enter your personal information. So once you enter your personal information, you click this agree here and then you click this agree button. So you can see this is the price here. I'm going to show you a discount code that you can use, an affiliate code that you can use to get 5% off from your purchase. It's Gideon Empire. So if you write Gideon Empire in this affiliate code, you will get a discount of 5% from your purchase. So once you've done that, click on complete order. Okay, click on complete order. So as you can see, it is going to bring you to this page where it says your order has been received. So the next thing you need to do is to click on proceed to payment. So as you can see, there are basically 3 ways that you can use to make your payment. But first of all, if you look up, you say please take into account network fee when paying with crypto. I'm going to, as we proceed in this video, I'm going to show you what the network fee is. So you can actually make your payment with card, with Coinbase Commerce, with PayPal. So this Coinbase Commerce is not only for people that are using Coinbase. You can also use Binance if you choose this Coinbase Commerce. So you can see this network here, ERC20 network only. Okay, pay your own fees. Failure to do so will result in your order being underpaid or not delivered. So you need to pay the exact fee that you're asked to pay. I will show you how to do it. So pay attention and watch this video carefully. So the next thing you need to do is to click on pay for order. So once you click on pay for order, let's wait for it to load. So as you can see, if you have if you're using Coinbase, you can just click on this pay with Coinbase. But if you're not using Coinbase, you can use any of these crypto coin. Just choose any of this cryptocurrency. But so guys, when you are trying to make payment, if you use Bitcoin, the network fee is going to be very high. I'm going to show you an image on the screen now that is showing the network fee for Bitcoin if you choose Bitcoin. I'm also going to show you an image that shows Ethereum's network fee. Although it's not as high as Bitcoin network fee, but it's still a little bit high. Then if you use USDT, I'm going to show you the network fee that you pay for USDT. So you can choose any one of them. Remember, they say we should use ERC network only, right? Let's use USDT, right? So to give you the USDT address as well as the amount that you should send to this address. So once you've gotten this thing, you have 1 hour. As you can see here, you have 1 hour to make this payment. All right. So the next thing you want to do is to go to Binance. So once you're in Binance, click on this icon here. This icon that shows this user icon. So if you click on the user icon, you will see assets. So click on assets here. As you can see here, it's very easy to sign up on Binance. So if you don't have a Binance account, I'm going to drop the link to Binance in the description of this video. So make sure you sign up to Binance and verify your account. It's also very easy to deposit. Like, you can deposit into Binance with, you can buy crypto on Binance using your card, using P2P. So there are different ways to deposit in your Binance account. So as you can see, you can deposit crypto, you can buy crypto with bank transfer, you can use your card, and you can use P2P. So it's very easy. This is like the easiest platform I've ever registered, the easiest crypto platform I've ever registered in. So it's quite easy. I'm going to drop the link to it in the description of this video. So once you click on this user icon, then you click on assets to bring you to this page where you see withdraw and transfer. Click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, it's going to bring you to this page. So the next thing you want to do is to choose the currency you want to use. So as you know, we are using USDT, so we'll click on USDT. So once you click on USDT, you come back here and copy the USDT address. Then you go back, paste the address, then it will ask you to choose a network. So remember, the network we have to choose ERC20. So you can see it here, it's the second one. Don't choose this first one, it's the second one, right? So you choose ERC20. Then you come back here, copy the amount that you have to send, then come here, enter that amount. You enter the amount, right? Now remember what they told us. That we are to pay our own network fee so that it will not be underpaid. Now if you look at this, you see that it says receive amount is 41 and we are supposed to pay 49. So what do we need to do? We need to increase this amount. Why is it like that? It's like that because this thing has automatically removed this network fee from inside. So you need to add this network fee to this amount so that the received amount can be this amount, if you understand what I mean, right? So add the network fee. So you need to add 8 to this. So 49 plus 8 will give us 57, right? 57. 50, 57. Good. So if you see now, this is the exact amount that we should deposit so that it will not be underpaid. Okay. By the way, guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing. Thank you. So this is it, guys. So also you need to know if your money is in your spot wallet or your funding wallet. Okay. So once you choose that, currently I don't have any money on my wallet. So once you've done this, you click on withdraw. So as you can see, this withdraw button is not showing because I don't have any money on the wallet. So you click on withdraw, and normally this network usually takes about 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, and it will make the payment. So once you click on withdraw, it's going to automatically it's going to automatically accept the payment here, and it will redirect you to Myfundedfx. So guys, all the links I mentioned are in the description of this video. Please use that link to support this channel. I'm going to receive a small commission if you use my link in the description of this video at no extra cost to you. So please use the link so that I can continue making this kind of helpful videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.